Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki, and today we're going to be going through my March IPSY Glam Bag. I know it's already the 31st of the month. I got my shipment late. There was an issue with my skybox and whatever, but we're doing it, okay? So stay tuned. Alright, so we're starting off with the bag itself, and as you guys know, every month IPSY sends you a different bag. This one is really cute. It has a little strawberry what's this thing, zipper, and it has the texture of, like, I don't know, like a woven bag. Are you seeing that? And then it's lined on the inside with pink, just cute, and with this green zipper fabric. So it's very nice, very cutesy, and as usual, the little IPSY tag on it, so we know who it's from. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is a product that I actually was really excited when I saw it. Like, normally every month when you order from IPSY, they ask you to choose one full-size product of your choice. You have the option to let them surprise you, or you can go ahead and tell them, hey, I want this. So when I saw this brand, First Aid Beauty, I was really interested in getting it, namely because I've always seen so many good reviews about this brand online, and it's not available for purchase locally. And you know, sometimes it really is a gamble when you buy beauty products online, because yes, you have it available to you by ordering, but you don't know what the product is going to be like. And that's what I love about my IPSY Glam Bag subscription. You get to try, especially being someone from the Caribbean, you get to try like a range of different brands that you normally wouldn't have access to, or if you do have access to it, it's very expensive. And before you make the commitment, you get to sample the product. So this is the KP, and that's another reason why I was so excited, because KP stands for keratosis. KP stands for keratosis pilaris, which I have. It's a buildup of keratin around the hair follicles, and it causes you to have bumps. It's something like chicken skin, and as a matter of fact, that's what a lot of people call it, chicken skin. So I have it on my elbows, on my hips, and it's a rough texture. It does not impair your life anyway. It's not painful or anything, but it's rough and bumpy, and no one likes to have rough and bumpy skin. So this is a bump eraser body scrub with 10% AHA, which is pretty high, and AHA just stands for alpha hydroxy acid, which is a type of chemical exfoliant. It's going to be gentle yet effective when it comes to exfoliating your skin from the chemical side, and then it also is a physical exfoliant because it has the texture. It's no artificial fragrance, and it actually smells like strawberry, so that's such a good sign, and it's dermatologist tested. Fresh strawberry is the name of the scent, and it says to apply product onto wet skin, gently massage over problem areas, rinse and follow with moisturizer, use once or twice weekly as tolerated. My skin can generally take like more jamming than that, but I'll try just to be mindful, because you don't want to cut your skin or like make your skin excessively sensitive through use of these kind of products. Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, rinse well with water. If irritation persists, discontinue use and consult a physician. So this has a lot of different chemical exfoliants in it, as well as this has a lot of different physical exfoliants in it, like pumice. That's the first ingredient, and it also has a lot of chemical exfoliants in it, like glycolic acid, lactic acid, and yeah, those are alpha hydroxy acids, and then other moisturizing and supporting ingredients. This is the texture of it, and I tried some last night. I must say, when you have a scrub with fine enough particles that it does not start dropping to the ground when you start to rub it on your skin. That is like 10 out of 10. I absolutely love that because I used to make my own scrubs at home, and there's a big difference between having a scrub that, oh yeah, it's a sugar scrub, it's a salt scrub, but the particles are so big that as soon as you put it on your skin, they start falling off in the shower and all your product is on the ground. This is not going anywhere. You're gonna get like a good scrub out of this. I love that. It hasn't fell, it hasn't fallen. It's all on my fingers, on my hands, and I think this is how you get to save product, because if all of your product is falling on the ground and you have to keep reapplying, 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 then obviously you're gonna have an empty jar really quick and you're not gonna get the effect that you want. So I'm really excited to start using this in my regimen, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I'll probably make a shot of the before and after of my elbows specifically. Okay, so next up in the package is this product from Formula Z. It's called the it's called the Lightbulb Swirl Liquid Illuminator. And I really like this because I've used a few liquid highlighters, I've used powder highlighters, and sometimes they can be hard or difficult to manipulate or to move around. But this, the consistency of this is really nice and it is easy to blend in. I'm going to include a clip from a show that I did yesterday using this product on my cheeks. I did like a semi like no makeup type look where I didn't use any foundation. I just used a little concealer on my mouth and my eyes, and then I went in on my cheeks with some of this to get that glow, and it was so stunning. Let me show you what it swatches like. So it's a very brilliant, more of a silvery pinkish look, but it's not like powdery or chalky or like harsh on your skin. It looks beautiful. It gives your skin a very beautiful glow. And this is in the color Very Slay. There's another color. It's more of a goldish tone, but this, I love it. It's really nice. You're gonna love this. It's a nice applicator, nice formula. The formula feels really good to apply, and the color payoff. I didn't know I probably would not have picked it up myself if I was gonna pick it, but it looked really, really nice. All right, so if you're a big eyebrow girl like me, as you can see, I got caterpillars for eyebrows, then this e.l.f. product is so nice, because most times I see people advocating for brow products, and it's like, I don't need pigment. I already have all the pigment. Like you see in black straight across my forehead. I don't need any more color, right? What I do need is something for the days that I don't have a fresh wax and I need to tame these brows. This was really, really nice. It's the Brow Laminator Gel from e.l.f. And as you know, e.l.f. is considered to be a drugstore brand. It's affordable beauty. So I really like that about it. So it comes with this wand that applies the product to your brow hairs, and then you have this side where you get to comb the hairs into any which particular direction. And I love a little bit of a cowlick. I don't normally have a cowlick. I don't naturally have a cowlick, but I like the look. It looks like, oh, I'm just an Amazonian goddess. My eyebrows grow any which way and I love it. So you comb it into whatever direction that you want, and then you use this to press it into shape. I love it. So go get it. And it does not turn white. It doesn't get ugly like moving your brows, because I find that some brow products do tend to crack or flake like after a while on your brows. I don't know what that's about, but love that. And it's a full size product as well. Next thing that I got is this fragrance from Nanette Lepore, and unfortunately I'm not like a perfume connoisseur who's really good at saying, oh, it has this undertone or it has that undertone and it smells like this. I don't know what this smells like. It really actually reminds me of a perfume that I used to, I just sprayed it into the air. I used to use, if you know Perry Ellis 360, the purple one, like the one that's almost the same color as my top, it reminds me of that fragrance. It's very fresh, crisp. It also reminds me of Paris Hilton. She had a perfume in a blue bottle. I'll insert a picture of the two fragrances that this reminds me of here, and it's like a mixture between the both, but it smells really really good, really refreshing, light fragrance, very feminine fragrance. And that's it. I'm gonna have to go to fragrance school and figure out the tones, the notes, and etc. But obviously, if you go on their site, they're gonna tell you the notes that are in this fragrance. This is Ooh La La, and this is in 10 ml. Lastly, but not leastly, is the Athr Beauty. So cringe with the dad jokes. Yeah. This is the Athr Beauty lip gloss, and guess what? This is crystal infused. Have you ever heard of a crystal infused lip gloss? I've never encountered that before. So it has a slight fragrance. There's no flavor to it, but it has a slight fragrance to it. Athr Beauty. This is in the shade Celestial Quartz, and it's supposed to be a buildable coverage. Now my lips are darker than some of the other people that will be using this. If you have a lighter skin tone, then you may be able to see the pigment a bit more depending on your skin tone, right? So it's a beautiful like flushed or blush pink, and I had it on for a few hours the other day, and it lasted. My lips were moisturized. It's not sticky, it's not tacky. It feels really really nice. So Athr Beauty, I guess it's worth checking out, and it's also cruelty free. I think it's a vegan brand as well, so check it out. So that's it for my IPSY Glam Bag for March. I know it's a bit late, but do forgive me. See you guys in the next one. Or let me know if you like this kind of video, if you want to see more videos, if you want to see more product recommendations, and if not, what would you like to watch from me instead. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Girl, you can't miss another one of my videos. You can't. You need to be here, okay, for the whole thing. So I'll see you next one. Bye.